This century-old house is a beauty, but it had one big problem that many homes built in Portland before 1940 also have: a crumbling foundation. There are several fixes, but they're all expensive. Northwest Seismic has found the quickest and least expensive fix. The work takes about 3 weeks, or longer if the floor is lowered, which it was in this case. The owners wanted a higher ceiling in the basement. Hand digging is usually the best option in the city. On this job, the dirt was scooped into a 6-inch hose, then sucked into a vacuum truck, and then hauled away. After this, a footing or concrete platform had to be created to support the new walls. We installed rebar around the perimeter to reinforce the concrete and tie the footing to the concrete portion of the new walls. This helps make the house seismically safe. The footing around the edges of the basement are poured first, the walls second. To ensure a watertight seal between the two, a plastic strip called a water stop is set into the wet concrete of the footing, with the top half exposed. This strip ensures that water doesn't leak through the seam between the footing and the wall. After the footing is poured and finished, wood forms are put around the basement perimeter. They'll hold the concrete for the new walls. The concrete portion of the walls don't have to be any higher than the level of the soil on the outside to resist soil pressure in an earthquake. The footing, the walls, and the new floor of the basement are made of concrete, and so a concrete truck is brought in. A line pump is used to deliver the concrete to the basement. What it delivers in a couple of hours would take all day if you use wheelbarrows. Speed is crucial when working with concrete, not only to reduce labor, but also it allows for continuous pour with no interruptions. That allows the concrete to cure evenly. Once the footing and wall are complete, new wood cripple walls are constructed, from the top of the new concrete wall to the floor joists above. When all the seismic connections are in place, the shear loads are transferred to the new wall, and the wood cripple wall is reinforced with plywood. The last step in this project involved pouring a new slab. The owners of this home in southeast Portland now have a house that's much safer. It's now made to withstand an earthquake, and the homeowners have a bigger basement as well.